How to buy shadow token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with this referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Now if you see this post from the MEXC listing, as you can see, they said that this pair will be listed on the assessment zone on the 20 February in 13 UTC. So as you can see, this token, it's available on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC, what you need to do, go and log into your account on MEXC, as you can see. Now go back to this post and just copy the token symbol like that. Now go back to your account and here in search, paste this symbol token. So as you can see, we'll be able to see this pair. Click on it. Now after that, what you need to do, as you can see, we'll be able to see this page. Now click on buy here and select the limit. Now here type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy shadow. If you click on market sale, as you can see, you can drag this to see how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account and able to use it to buy the token. And after that, click on buy shadow and you will be able to buy the token. So this is how to buy shadow token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.